Well, there's a lot to like about this 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 2LT Coupe here on our showroom floor. Well, it's right out front of our showroom right now here at buyavette.net, and it looks great in the sun today. This is a beautiful Stingray Z51 2LT Coupe, Laguna Blue, just a little over 25,000 miles. This is a stunning car in so many ways. Laguna Blue on the exterior, it has that adrenaline red interior that looks tremendous. And under the hood, 460 horsepower LT1 engine with 6-speed, here we go, manual transmission. This car's factory features include the $4,160 2LT Preferred Equipment Group. We always remind you, heads-up display, Bose 10-speaker AM/FM stereo system with steering wheel controls, MyLink, auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, dual power seat bolster and lumbar, has an advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door transmitter, and of course the memory package. The Z51 Performance Package includes performance brakes, black brake calipers, slotted brake rotors, dry sump oiling, specific suspension, special front and rear wheels, tires, has electronic limited slip differential with cooler performance gear ratios, aero package, and multi-mode exhaust. Now this has the crystal red full stripe, and it looks great. Non-recommended color combination override, museum delivery. Think about that. Look what museum delivery means. This makes this car kind of special as well. It has the personalized dash plaque, FE4 magnetic selective ride control, performance data recorder with navigation. It has that Laguna Blue tint coat upcharge, Bluetooth package, dual power seats, keyless entry and start, dual electronic climate control, HID headlights. Everything on this car is power. It has a rear view camera, and as we said, power windows, power brakes, everything's power, ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, we always say it comes with a clean Carfax and some nice options. It has a ton of appearance accessories, and this stupid rare 2015 Corvette Stingray Z51 shows just 25,211 miles. This is one of just 47 Laguna Blue Adrenaline Red Corvettes built for the 2015 year, and just one of 61 Stingray Coupes built with the crystal red full stripe. So this C7 may very well be the only one built with these colors and particular options. So you give one of our sales representatives a call at 770-414-5552. We're in Atlanta, Georgia. Check out the link right down below this video, and it'll take you to the pricing and all those fabulous photos and additional information about this car. It's one of a kind.